Hi guys, today let's have a look at être in the subjunctive form. So subjunctive is usually used when we are talking about an emotion or in case of a necessity, etc. And with other terms like il faut que or bien que, pour que, etc. So we will have a look at some examples where we use être in the subjunctive form. Again, the subjunctive is conjugated with the que. So que, je, and then the verb que tu, que il, que elle, que on, que nous, que vous, qu'il, qu'elle, etc. So être changes to sois, pour, je. If you look at être in the indicative form, that is the normal form that we've been learning since A1, the conjugation would look something like this. Je suis, tu es, il, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, and il, elle sont. Okay. But when we conjugate this in the subjunctive form, we add a que before all the pronouns que, je, que tu, etc. And the verb changes to que je sois, que je sois, que tu sois, que tu sois, qu'elle, qu'on soit, qu'elle, qu'on soit. Que nous soyons, que nous soyons, que vous soyez, que vous soyez, qu'elle soit, qu'elle soit. The pronunciation of qu'elle soit, pluriel, the pluriel, qu'elle con, that is the singular, and je and tu is exactly the same. Soit, que je sois, que tu sois, qu'on soit, and qu'elle soit. So this and this is exactly the same pronunciation, even though the spellings are a lot different. Now let us have a look at some examples where we would use some of these subjunctive forms. Maybe we can try one with il faut que. This one. Il faut que nous soyons attentifs. Il faut que, one of the expressions with which we always use the subjunctive form. It means you need, we must, you must, etc. Il faut que nous soyons attentifs because we've used il faut que here. You must be, or you need to be, or we need to be in this case. It is necessary that in this case. Because we've used il faut que, we have to use the verb être in the subjunctive form. We cannot say il faut que nous sommes. That would be the indicative form. Here we would have to use soyons. That is the same as nous sommes, but in the subjunctive form. So there is no difference of meaning between nous soyons and nous sommes. These are exactly the same. The meaning is the same. Que nous soyons and nous sommes. Both of these would be we are, that we are, and we are. It is necessary that we are attentive. If there was no il faut que, then we could have used nous sommes attentifs, we are attentive, but since there is il faut que, the expression where we have to use subjunctive, we would be using no in the subjunctive form. Let us have a look at one more example. This one. This is emotion. So with emotions as well, we use the subjunctive form. Emotion and que. So je suis contente que, I am happy that. This is an emotion, there is also que. So the next verb that we will be using would be in the subjunctive form. Je suis content qu'il soit là. I am happy that he is here. Why did we not use que il est là? We cannot use il est here because we've used je suis content, which is an expression of emotion. I am happy. And there is the que also. So after emotion and que, we also have to use the subjunctive. If it had been something else like je suis content si il est là, if it was si il est là, then we would use the indicative form, which is il est, because there is an apostrophe here, because we cannot put two vowels together. So s'il est là. Why are we writing il est here? Because there is no que. If the sentence was je suis content s'il est là, then we would not use the subjunctive. When do we use the subjunctive? Only where the que is present. This is why we always conjugate the subjunctive forms with que. Que je, que tu, que nous, etc. So this is one example. Then there are other conditions where we use the subjunctive. For example, in a sentence where we're showing doubt, when we're giving an opinion in the negative form or in a question form. We're going to be learning about these in the next video. For now, this was the conjugation of être in the subjunctive form. Ok, merci, au revoir. À la prochaine.